Hi, this is Meredith Duxbury, and this is Pucker Up with Morphe. Whoa.
Hi guys, so I am here today with the legend, the icon herself, Meredith Duxbury, who is also the creator of our latest collaboration, available now at Morphe and at Ulta. So Meredith, the aim of today is we are going to ask you questions as you test out increasingly sour candies. And the aim is to not react. You ready?
I'm excited.
We'll start with sour level 1.
Okay. I smell everything, by the way. I just have to. This is great.
So I just learned that you were actually born in England.
Mm-hmm.
What's another fact that people would be surprised to know about you?
I had a turtle.
I like turtles.
A pet turtle growing up. Yeah. I feel like people wouldn't expect that.
What was their name?
Fiji.
Can you do an English accent still?
Hello. No, I can't. Hello. Now, honestly, I feel like I lost my accent when I was 5, and I feel like one of those Americans just trying to fake an accent if I try, so.
Okay, we are on to sour level 2.
The blue ones are my fave.
So what do you remember about the very first beauty video you ever posted?
I guess it was TikTok. It was lip syncing to Nicki Minaj's I'm Legit song, rubbing foundation with my hands, and I didn't know it was gonna go so viral. Sorry, I have a lot of spit in my mouth. I didn't know it was gonna go so viral. I was up like at 3 a.m. seeing my phone like buzzing like crazy with all these notifications, and I was like, what is going on? I wasn't doing the like foundation technique to go viral. It was just my technique. I'd done it before I even got on TikTok. And I didn't think it was weird at all. And then I guess when I got onto TikTok, people were like, what is this girl doing? Like, what is this technique? So to each their own, but I just love it. I love that technique.
We can move on to sour level 3, and you kind of answered question number 3 already. Did you ever think you'd become so iconic for your foundation technique? But maybe you can tell us how you created that technique in the first place.
I came up with it because I have quite a bit of freckles, and it just worked really well for me. The beauty sponge that I had was just absorbing so much of the makeup, so I felt like my hands wouldn't absorb anything, and it would melt the product into my face really nicely and warm up the product. And then I just got onto TikTok just having fun, like creating videos. So it was created before TikTok. Yeah, I love it.
So we are moving on to level 4.
It's heating up
How are
in
you
here.
feeling?
I feel good, I'm just sweating a little bit, you know? And there's like a lot of saliva. But I'm excited for these. I have never seen these in my life. I mean, it definitely took it up a notch, but not too crazy. I like those.
Between creating content, networking, and attending events, you have to be on a lot of the time. What is your favorite way to unwind?
Shopping and doing makeup.
Okay, we're on to number 5. What is the most exciting or unbelievable thing that you've been able to experience following all of your success?
That one was a little more sour. Sorry, what was the question again?
What's the most exciting or unbelievable thing you've been able to experience following all of your success?
At my recent meet and greet, one of the girls who came to see me said that she started her YouTube channel because of me. It feels so good to be able to inspire people and to just, you know, create this community of people who share the same passion as you. There's so many things that just I'm so grateful for and that I never thought I would get the opportunity to do.
And we're at level 6. Every look that you create really tells a story, from makeup to hair to clothing to even the way you pose, where you pose.
I took another of the last one because it tasted so good.
And my question was, where does your inspiration come from to create those looks?
So with me, hold on. Do I need to take a bite of this before that question? Whoa.
Should I ask it again?
That one. That is really sour. I'd say I get it from just opening up one of my favorite palettes. My Morphe palette is my favorite because there's so many different things inside. There's nudes and neutrals, and there's bold colors and smoky colors, bright pastels. So for me, I want a palette that inspires me. And when I open that palette, I don't feel like I'm restricted to one thing. And I don't sit down in my chair before and plan looks. I really just let the art and creation of it all take me away. I just let the palette inspire me.
Speaking of getting ready, we can move on to Sour Level 7.
These are one of my favorites. These are really sour.
What is the #1 song you listen to when you're getting ready to hype yourself up?
These are good.
Oh wow, going in for...
I could do like a whole handful, I feel like. They're really good. I can't give a specific song. I feel like there's so many that hype me up. I'd say more of the genre is like R&B, 2000s, hip hop.
A fine choice. And then finally, we are on to Sour Level 8. Prepare yourself. We did a deep dive on your Instagram and wanted you to
These are big.
react with the first thing that comes to mind when you see these pictures.
Whoa. I'd say this is so sour. Sorry, what was the question?
What is the first thing you think of when you see this picture?
Art. Art and dreams. I feel like it was always a dream of mine to have a billboard, and the fact that this is like a few blocks away from where I live is crazy. It doesn't feel real. I'm like going to get my coffee and I'm walking and I'm like, whoa, my face is huge right there in Soho, New York City, crazy.
And there's one more, but have you finished your candy or would you like one more?
This actually turned really sweet. It was sour for like a few seconds and now it's sweet. But if you guys want me to have another.
If you can handle another one.
I think I can. Why is this so hard to open? Next question.
So same question, what's the first thing you think of with this look?
Unique. Honestly, that look was one of the craziest looks I've ever done. I'm sweating. My tongue's like going numb. It's blue. Yeah, it was one of the craziest looks I've ever done. I don't even know how we came up with this idea, but we like put this bowl of glitter and glue, mix it all up, and literally just like smeared it all over. And it was like really hard to get out, but that's what I think of like art and beauty and the makeup industry. I think it's just like having fun with looks like that, and it doesn't have to be so in the lines. Like you can do whatever you want and have fun with it, and that's what I want to inspire people to do. Is like, I think that's the whole point of it, is just like having fun and not taking it all so serious.
Well, Meredith, you have completed our challenge.
Thank God.
You did
I'm getting
it
hot.
beautifully.
Just turn the AC on.
I saw a few tears, but that was about it. Thank you so much for joining us.
I'm honored. Thank you, guys. I think my taste buds are gonna be permanently numb after this.